My name is Monia. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the gifts that I've received, or actually bought for myself, for my 25th birthday. Your girl is turning a whole silver! So excited. If you love luxury items or unboxing videos, please subscribe below. Also, hit that bell icon so that you'll receive notifications when I upload new videos. I would really love your support. Alright, let's do it. First item that I'm going to open or unbox will be coming from Tiffany and Company. I love their brand. So this first item, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, there's tape on the sides. Oh my goodness. Here it is. So this is the Tiffany Sheer fragrance. The scent beautifully blends with rose oil and finishes with an iris base. To me, it's very florally. I love the bottle. This bottle is 1.7 ounces and it retails for $95. I think it's just so beautiful. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. Can I just stop for a moment to say I love their packaging? I mean, the fragrance was individually wrapped and then this is individually wrapped. Like, shout out to Tiffany and Company. It's the mini double heart tag pendant. It's inspired by the iconic keyring first introduced in 1969. The reason why I chose this specific style is that it has two lengths. It can be worn longer or shorter as a choker. And if you don't know, pink is my favorite color. Oh, okay. So this is the receipt from Neiman's. So this item is from Gucci.
He gon' buy me Gucci if I ask for it.
My boyfriend would be actually really upset if he heard me say this because he hates that song and the women who make that song. But I'm not gonna say their name.
He gon' buy me Gucci if I ask for it.
And no, he did not buy this. I bought this. This is the Gucci GG Marmont mini camera bag. It is 7 inches in width, 5 inches in height, and this bag has a 24-inch drop. There's also the G's on the back, and then you can see the gold hardware G's on the front. When I unzip, the zipper's buttery smooth. Take the paper out. It also has a suede-like interior. The reason why I actually want to buy this bag is because I currently don't have a luxury black bag in my collection. It's actually crazy to hear me say it, but I know Gucci is trending right now, and later down the road I may not even want to carry this, but I just thought she was super duper cute, and she matches a belt that I have, which, let me know, do you guys like to match your designer items? Meaning, if you're carrying your Gucci bag, do you like to match with your Gucci belt? Or if you have on a Louis bag, do you care that you also have on a Gucci belt? Let me know in the comments below. I'd really love to get your opinion on if I should mix designers like that. Last but certainly not least is Chanel. Guys, this is my first Chanel purchase, and I have to say that I'm really excited about it. I think that every girl should at least have 1 or 2 pieces from Chanel in her collection. Let's see what it is. In the box comes with, obviously, the Chanel certification, ensuring that it's true Chanel. I have 2 dust bags. here they are. These are the Chanel espadrilles. They come from the, I'm probably gonna botch this up, the Matrice d'Art 2018-2019 collection. These are actually their limited edition espadrilles, and they retail for $725. I think they are so cute. I think it's just an update to a true neutral. I was going back and forth between this style and another style, but I went with this because it is limited edition, and once they're sold out, Chanel's not going to make them again. This specific collection was a few of like the last collections that Karl Lagerfeld ever designed, so I just had to get it. I feel like the other forms of like the Chanel espadrilles I can buy at a later date, but these were the main ones that I wanted. Thank you for spending time with me on my very first video. Also, if you love luxury videos or unboxing videos, subscribe below. Comment and let me know what your favorite item is or what you would like to see more of. I really appreciate your support in viewing this. Thanks, guys.